place. So this is the river of Karadi. Huh? So what was that? He told me a very amazing joke. So there was a guy. Look at me! Crossed Uthal, and from Uthal city we have turned right.
Good morning, viewers, and welcome back to our series Exploring Balochistan Through My Lens. Leaving Uthal behind, I turned right after Rasbera Agriculture University. The road slowly turned into an off-road track, heading towards Khulri. This track takes us straight to Khulri River, quite raw and untouched. It was a proper off-road track. Cloudy day, absolute silence all around. The landscape was raw, untouched. The track wasn't rocky, it was more like a sandy, smooth track. We picked up speed, heading straight to our destination. Riding the Jeep felt amazing, and honestly, we enjoyed every bit of it. There was no one, no people, no traffic, as far as the eyes could see while driving. Only small mountains slowly appearing in the distance. Balochistan is an important part of Pakistan, rich in land, history, and natural beauty. Its wide landscape and open horizons give a feeling you don't find anywhere else. Now we are getting close to the small but very different kind of mountains, something you don't really find anywhere else. ये जमीन ये फलक ये बादलों का सफर, खामोश पहाड़ झुके हुए बादल और ये वसी जमीन. Recent rains turned these dry mountains green, a kind of color I have never seen so directly in nature. Far in the distance, wild camels appeared calmly grazing on the grass. When the sun came out of the clouds, it gave the new shades to the green mountains. Under the clouds, the hills looked completely different. I was really amazed.
It's an amazing place, and see the landscape. There are many wild camels. So you can see that in the background. And especially the shades. You know, there are shades of sun on because the clouds and shades different. You can see that camel, wild camel over there. What an amazing landscape. Lovely. So how far?
Almost reached.
So we are almost reached. Amazing landscape, beautiful shades. Sometimes the sun is coming out of the clouds, giving altogether a different color on the greens. It's the Balochistan Highlands. Amazing drive. You need to have a 4x4 coming to here. It's deep into the mountains. quite difficult to come here. Yeah, because there will be quite flash flooding over there. Yeah. This is the river Karadi. Amazing, beautiful Balochistan. Amazing view. Stunning landscape.
After 2 hours of off-road driving from Uthal, we finally reached the Karadi River. The area around the river is surrounded by mountains, flowing water pools, and greenery, especially after the rains. It is favorite spot for locals and for jeep and motorbike groups seeking adventure.
Oh my God! Look at me! Ah! Ah! Oh my God! Oh my God! Look at that! What a cool water!
Mr. Saif was showing his underwater skills. Of course, he is too round and big to be drowned. We enjoyed swimming in the river. It was really fun.
अभी हम लोग खरीडी रिवर में हैं, स्विमिंग कर रहे हैं। आप देख सकते हैं मौसम भी बहुत अच्छा है। समंदर के जो दरिया का पानी है वो भी बहुत नॉर्मल है, ना गर्म है ना सर्द है, तो आप फुल एंजॉय कर रहे हैं। तो हम लोग का इरादा है कि यहीं पे आधा घंटा 1 घंटा गुजारने के बाद फिर इंशाल्लाह वापस चले जाएंगे। शुक्रिया।
So what was that? You told me a very amazing joke. So there was a guy, and all of a sudden he was suffered from some
Yeah,
cancer.
this is a story of a man. He was very much focused on his savings, and then he has targeted to spend some little amount on their daily life, and then to save a huge amount. At the end, he saved 30 million. When he was saving this whole amount, and suddenly he was diagnosed, doctors, by that he was in blood cancer, and then he has only for 2-3 weeks. And then he was quite worried, and somehow he was planned that why I not spend this amount to enjoy my life. And then he call his school friends, and they have parties.
They have throw a big party,
and then they have a book rooms in the 5-star hotel, and then try to spend this maximum amount before his death. Before his death, when he was spending 3 weeks, and then I spent almost his saving, and then when you visit follow up with doctor, and the doctor was diagnosed, but they have some errors in the reports. They have replaced the reports, test reports of someone else, and then he is not with this blood cancer.
So you understand. So but still, enjoy yourself and don't sit at home, and just move out. Have a good time with your friends, family, and go to some good places. Explore the world, explore the places nearby, whatever you can within your own resources, and enjoy yourself. Look at that, it's amazing cold water. Oh my God!
सैफ का जोक तो बहुत अच्छा था, लेकिन अंदाज बहुत बोरिंग था।
Mountains, Balochistan, and my voice is echo because of these mountains. And this guy is also here. He's an amazing guy.
Thank you, sir.
पैसा, दौलत, शोहरत, इज्जत, सब कुछ होके भी कुछ नहीं, बस रह जाएंगे तो इंसान के आमाल।
So after the lovely bath, we are going back towards Gadani. So we are going back.
This was the part 3 of our journey exploring Balochistan through my lens. Make sure to like and subscribe. The final episode is coming soon, and it's going to be more exciting and fun.
खूबसूरत मौसम है बलूचिस्तान का और very nice weather here.
Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.